Hello, this is Lee Mallett with Mallett Buildings. Here to talk about why you need to do business with Mallett Buildings. We have inspectors. We inspect the buildings 4 times during the process. But what we've added over the years is a new process. We actually inspect it from the office. We use the Arlo camera system. We're live on your site from here, and we can talk to you through the camera. That's quality control. That's why we do that. That's why I've invested a lot of money in these cameras. And these cameras are actually phones, and we have them set up over every job in 2 or 3 states, wherever we're operating. And we actually can monitor the jobs from here. When the job phase 1 with the building is constructed, we get on there and get with you, the customer. We walk around the building with you. When you do the farming, we do the same thing. When you do the slab, we do the same thing. Everything's recorded, everything's documented. We're the only company I know doing that. It's all about quality control. So when you're talking about doing business with someone, do business with a company that's taken put the investment back into the company to make his quality better. And that's what we do at Mallett Buildings. Once again, thank you for listening. And if you want to buy a building, call us at 337-214-0428.